Born in Northside and attending St. Xavier High School, Ray Evers valued education and hard work. Drafted into the Army in 1952, Master Sergeant Evers served 2 years in Korea, where he learned to weld. His future was set in steel. Returning to the States, Ray worked a variety of welding jobs and met and married his wife, Mary. Ray's reputation grew, and in the early 60s, he opened his own small shop where he did repairs and fabrication work. The company expanded into field installations and crane rentals, adding Evers equipment in 1970. Ray was also involved in a variety of business and real estate ventures for most of his career, including Sunset and Mozart Apartments, HEK Realty, and Rand Manufacturing, just to name a few. Ray was also committed to giving back to the community. His strong belief in education led to his donation of time and scholarship money to several area schools.
My grandpa was a big believer in education. Due to that, he invested a lot of his money into St. Xavier High School, Macaulay High School, Mount Notre Dame High School, and also a grade school, St. James White Oak, and also even an orphanage, St. Joseph Orphanage. In doing that also, he wanted to make sure every kid had a great education and a bright future ahead of them.
Another major donation, this one a witness to a dark part of U.S. history, is the restored slave pen at the Freedom Center. This centerpiece of the museum originally stood on Ray and Mary's farm in Mason County, Kentucky.
Yeah, my dad, he grew up on the north side. He basically started with nothing, was in the Army, worked his way up, worked hard his whole life to live the American dream. But he not only that, he helped other people with their American dream to make their life better. And he expected the best, he demanded the best, and he basically was the best.
Ray Evers was a self-made man whose vision continues to guide the second generation of Evers Steel construction today as one of the top structural steel and crane rigging contractors in the region.